Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Uh, Now we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty, what they can do tomorrow. And unfortunately, today I couldn't trade. I was out with an emergency work. I was in hospital the whole day. आज का स्कैल्पिंग में बहुत अच्छा पैसा बनने वाला था. I was seeing the market in the phone, but I didn't trade because it's too volatile and weekly expiry है. पलक झपकते बहुत कुछ होता है. So this is why I didn't trade today. Okay, chalo guys, we'll start the discussion on the analysis part. What is this chart? Is this Nifty? Okay. Nifty आज के दिन क्या किया? Hmm. It has made a shooting star pattern बोलते हैं इसको. That is a bearish sign. टॉप में जाके बनेगा तो that is a bearish sign. So according to this is the top, but we cannot consider this. But weakness has shown. This low upper wick is clear sign of rejection of higher prices. People on Nifty 50 don't want the price to be above 9175 level. They have closed it down till 9100, a psychological level. So what we can do is for tomorrow, it is looking weak for me. Hmm, ये line, this line cannot be drawn like this. Okay, let's get into the charts deeply. So guys, ये बता रहा है कि ये सब ऊपर जाने वाले हैं, but it is not that easy for this to go. I feel this way. यहाँ पे ऊपर जा रहा था, रैली हुआ, यहाँ पे पॉज लिया है और यहाँ पे क्लियर कट सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा है इसको. So this is a fearful thing for me. Let's check the angle. Oops. यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर जा सकता है? नहीं. नो गाइस, रहेगी भी तो तेजी सिर्फ 2 ही दिन की रहेगी. I see a strong resistance at these levels of 9350. We'll take a round figure. 9350. Okay, 9350. कितने का रेंज है ये? It is almost 2.6%. This is the maximum the Nifty can go, according to me. If this level is broken, then it might go for 9550. But I feel today's target, it would have taken out today's target by reaching 9400, but it didn't happen. Though Nifty was stronger than Bank Nifty, I guess. You see Nifty, Bank Nifty charts. Bank Nifty is showing weakness, whereas Nifty is strong. Even this has made a shooting star. साइन ऑफ वीक इज ऑलरेडी वीक ही है. शूटिंग स्टार बना के नीचे है, इधर भी शूटिंग स्टार ही बना है. इसको शूटिंग डोजी स्टार बोलेंगे, शूटिंग स्टार बोलते हैं इसको. बट गाइस, टुडे यस्टरडेज लेवल विच आई गेव यू 18175, जो मैंने कब दिया था, 19 मे को दिया था मैंने. वो लेवल आज तक भी नहीं तोड़ पाया, आज तक भी इंटैक्ट है. अपर लेवल एंड द लोअर लेवल बोथ. This is a support of 390 and 17 175. ये दोनों लेवल नहीं तोड़ पाया. So guys, I feel ये जब तक इधर साइड ब्रेक ना करे तब तक ये इसी रेंज में रहने वाला है. Then we can decide where the price will go. According to me, I think tomorrow also it may consolidate in this level. And if you pay attention on the daily charts, 3 days he has spent in the same zone. If we see the range, ATR लगा के देखेंगे अभी. The range has just fallen, guys. Fallen like anything. Highly volatile times में 1600 एक दिन में मूव किया. This is only 921 950. Oh my god. ये volatile market में ये range बहुत कम है actually. Basically इसका आना चाहिए 300 to 600 के level तक ही है normal days में. But this is a volatile market. Volatility में इतना drop, this is not a good sign. I think this is ready to make a big fall. If अगर यही रेंज में और 2 दिन रुका फिर यहाँ से एक बहुत बड़ी शार्प फॉल देखने को मिल सकती है हमें. वेरी शार्प फॉल. 3 days it has been consolidating in the same level. Another 2 days and this market will fall. This is according to me, according to my view, but it might go up also, but market is always superior. But what I feel is that is important. Based upon that I'll be taking trades, right? तो मेरी एनालिसिस कह रही है मुझे और 2-3 दिन यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेट हुआ तो ये बहुत गिरावट लेगा अभी. 14,000 which I told you the level which I'm expecting, that will be going to reach in 1.5 week or maybe 1 week. If we see the level over here, points, how many percentage fall is this? A fall of 21%. If same level if we capture from here, 21%, 14,000, 13,800, 13,800. Okay, 13,800 is the target. I was expecting 14,200, but then, and if you pay a close attention to Nifty and Bank Nifty both, it is making a pattern on a big time scale, time frame. That is, if you see over here, like this and like this. This is a flag pattern, bearish flag pattern. यहाँ पे सीधा नीचे जाएगा ये. You know how we calculate the fall? This is the way we calculate the fall. यहाँ पे कितना आया fall? Almost 15,000 points का fall. उतना तो fall नहीं आएगा. But at least this we can expect. Which I showed you 13,800. That is the maximum it can go, but I am expecting 14,200. Or first target of 16,000 bare minimum. वो सब तो छोड़ो, दूर की बात है. So guys, बताने लायक कुछ है नहीं कल के लिए. कल वीकली क्लोजिंग भी आ जाएगी हमारी. But what I feel is the levels which I have given you, 18,175 and 17,390, इसको ब्रीच करेगा तभी एक व्यू बनेगा, तब तक नहीं बनेगा. एंड बस उतना ही, और कुछ नहीं है, बताने लायक कुछ है ही नहीं. इट इज जस्ट कंसोलिडेटिंग इन अ रेंज. व्हेन दिस लेवल ब्रेक्स, इधर अपसाइड और डाउनसाइड, डाउनसाइड चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं मुझे. मार्केट इज सुपीरियर. Let's see what will happen. This is my view. The same pattern you can see in Nifty as well. This is a flag का stem बोलेंगे इसको. This is the flag and it is ready to fall. But here this is looking bullish. But ये उल्लू बनाने वाला candle है. It is showing that it is a break above. But if you get one more closing above this candle tomorrow, then for next week the market is very bullish. And my target is 9,500 straight away. And it can even touch this point also 9760. Wait for tomorrow's close. See if it is closing above this candle. Today's candle high of 19180. 19180. If it breaks tomorrow and closes above that break, it is very bullish. And Bank Nifty, if we see for half an hour candle, क्या बोल रहा है हमें ये? There is nothing much in Bank Nifty. Okay, it has upside to go to here, but that is a secondary part. Oh, this is the breakout thing. Then this is a major resistance over here. A resistance of 18,300 and this diagonal this thing resistance as well is facing two resistance. See if it breaks above. मुझे तो नहीं लगता. अगर ये ब्रेक करता है कल के दिन, then market is very bullish for the next week and coming days. But I don't think so. If it breaks also, I don't think so. It is going to sustain. Okay, guys, that's it for the analysis for today. For Bank Nifty, you need to wait for these both levels to break out or break down. I'll give the levels in the description box as well. And Nifty तो clear cut बता रहा है कि वो नीचे जाने वाला है. If at all, if this high doesn't break tomorrow and closes above this high of 9,180, then the market is bullish. Tomorrow कुछ नहीं करना है, बस wait करना है. If I get good levels to trade on, I will take up a trade. But market is one thing I'll tell you guys. Market is not about buying and selling. Buying and selling is just 10% of buying and 10% of selling. 80% is the rest of your patience and waiting. This is the market, guys. It is not important that you need to trade every day. See, now this whole week I didn't make any money. See, Monday I made a loss of 2,500. Then Tuesday I was not able to trade, and the next day also. And yesterday I could not trade because of I traded, but I missed a big opportunity. And today also I couldn't trade. Whole week I've gone in negative. How much I made yesterday? It was 1,300 minus the loss of 2,500 to 2,500 plus 200 is equals to, keep it 3,000 only. 3,000 minus 1,300. So I'm in loss. I'm in loss of 1,700. That is equal to 2,000. Also, you can call it just 2,000. Not a problem. 2,000 का loss ही हुआ है. You cannot just expect the market will give you profit every single day and you will get the trading opportunities every single day. You need to wait. Wait for the opportunity. Don't chase the market. Let the market come to you. have patience and happy trading, guys. And please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो ज़रूर से ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, चैनल को ग्रो करने की मदद कीजिए प्लीज़। एंड आपको थोड़ा सा भी लगता है कि मैं अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ गिव इट अ लाइक एटलीस्ट। यू आर सीइंग द वीडियो बट नो लाइक्स, नो शेयर, नो नथिंग। I hope you do that. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.